Friends, I hope you everyone are fine. So let's go ahead with next topic today. And next topic is advertisement. I'm sure everyone is aware of what exactly advertisement is, as we watch TV regularly these days. We have enough time to watch TV. So we can see lots of advertisements, or lot of advertisements are there in on our TV, newspaper, everywhere, in internet, on internet also, everywhere we can find so many advertisements. So these advertisements, how we should go ahead, and as this is our part of our syllabus, our topic today is advertisement or advertisement. So we can, how we can generalize or how we can write the advertisements. Let's go ahead and check it out. As students, you know advertisement is of 4 marks, and if you will see, I have written here advertisement is of 4 marks, which can be further divided into 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 mark is for heading or format. Our format should be correct, and if our format is correct, then definitely we are going to get 1 mark. And 2 marks is there for your content. Content should be expressive enough, should be without grammatical mistakes, and should be to the point, and then we can easily get 2 marks. And last but not the least, 1 mark is for your expression, how you expressed yourself in that particular advertisement. That portion will give you 1 mark. So you should be very precise, and you should know what exactly has to be written. Let's go ahead with further with the advertisements. Advertisements are further classified as audio-visual, audio, commercial or display advertisement, and classifieds. However, audio-visual advertisements are advertisements which we can see on TV with videos. Audio advertisement which we hear on FM, radio, etc. Commercial or display advertisements are the advertisements which we can see on newspaper, magazines, for selling something. These advertisements are known as commercial. And classifieds are the advertisements which are in very short form, in very expressive manner, and those advertisements, classifieds, are there in our syllabus as per CBSE module. However, display advertisements are also there in HBSC, but we are discussing here CBSE only. So classifieds advertisements are there in our CBSE grammar. And let's go ahead. What are the precautions we should take care of? So first is there, heading is compulsory. Tips for classified advertisements. So heading is compulsory. Your heading must be there, that what exactly the advertisement is meant for what it is. I will let you know, like, are you selling something, are you getting something, are you renting out something? Accordingly our heading will change. I will explain you that also. Now use all the sentences or use all the advertisement in phrases only. Avoid sentences. Sentences should not be there in your advertisement. You should use phrases only. You should use abbreviations. You should use adverbs, adjectives as much as possible. Avoid use of article and preposition or grammatical. You can avoid these things. Grammatical mistakes are not counted here. So use of article and prepositions should be avoided. Abbreviations may be used. You can use abbreviations instead of writing the whole word. If the word is large enough, then always you can use abbreviations, but that abbreviation should be universal or commonly used. It must be clear enough, otherwise you should not use. So content must be clear. Your content should be clear enough to understand what exactly you are selling and what exactly you are giving or what exactly you are offering. Contact number and address must be mentioned. With whom, who is selling that, and where the buyer or where the interested party should contact. That thing should be there. First word like available, wanted, lost, found, etc. must be in capital letters, and rest can be with running hand. Running hand means in small letters. If you are renting out or if you are selling your house, then you can go ahead with available, so and so property, wanted, so and so job, lost a purse, found a purse, likewise. So first word of a advertisement should be capital. Types of advertisements I have already mentioned. So situation vacant or wanted, so give the title should be situation vacant or situation wanted. Mention wanted, required, situation vacant as per the requirement. Mention name of the post and number of posts, how many posts are available and which post is available. Mention qualification and preferences, which qualification do you require or do you have, and what exactly your preferences are. Salary, mention salary offered, how much salary you are giving, is it negotiable or salary acceptable. Means sometimes we can also use that salary is no bar for deserving candidates. Likewise we can give phrases, such type of phrases. Give contact number, email address or postal address. So your contact number should be there, your email address must be there so that they can mail you up. Email address or postal address should be there. If you are renting out a property, then it should be starting with, your heading must be to let, and you must begin your advertisement with available or wanted. Type of accommodation, number of rooms, fixtures, furnitures, location, etc. What exactly you are offering and what is there in that property. Clearly mention the terms and conditions. Your terms and conditions should be clearly mentioned. Means where exactly it is, what is your expectations, all must be clear enough. State the rent expected, how much rent you are looking for, that should be clearly mentioned. Give your mailing address and phone number. Your phone number and mailing address, mailing address means postal address, your home address should be clear enough, and you should give it so that the interested parties can contact you. Next is there, that is sale, purchase of property or vehicle. If you are selling a property, your house or a vehicle or any household item, then all these type of advertisements should be there in this column. Like here, so first of all mention available, sale, purchase. So to let, here you should write for sale or for purchase, for sale or for purchase, accordingly you can give that for sale. Otherwise, if you are being very specific, then you can also write car for sale, furniture for sale, or flat for sale. Accordingly also you can write it down, but I would suggest for sale and for purchase. It will give you can use this title in each and every selling or purchasing of any type of advertisement. So type of accommodation, which accommodation is there, is that 2 BHK, 3 BHK, MIG, LIG flat, what exactly it is, type of accommodation should be there. Vehicle, which vehicle you are selling, is that Maruti, is that whatever the vehicle you are selling, Maruti, Hero Honda, or bike, anything, whatever you want to sell. Description of accommodation, accommodation should be what exactly the means the accommodation which you are selling, that should be clearly told that what exactly it is in terms of size, facilities, location, where exactly it is located, how much it is, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 5 BHK, facilities, electricity, water, furniture, furnished or semi-furnished, location, nearby market, nearby metro station, nearby, if anything is there, you should always mention that. Description of vehicle, your vehicle description must be there, model of the vehicle, color, accessories, if accessories are there, which color it is, which model, like 2019 model, color white or black, Suzuki. Likewise, condition, excellent condition, running condition, likewise you should mention these type of advertisement. So these type of advertisements should be clearly enough, and you should tell each and everything about these type of advertisement. If I will focus you, then you can easily find here, this is situation vacant. You are principal of National Public School, Jaipur. You require a TGT Maths for your school. So here, situation vacant is a title required. However, this required should be in capital letters, but it is okay. So required a TGT Maths teacher for a renowned convent school in Jaipur. Candidate should be skilled in operating computer, possess pleasant personality. However, this should be shortened, like in should be removed here. Renowned convent school, Jaipur. Candidate should be skilled in and possess pleasant operating computer knowledge. You can write here computer knowledge, so you can avoid it. Computer knowledge, and possess pleasant personality, preferably female, with minimum 5 years of teaching experience. Interested candidates are invited. You can deduct here. Interested candidate walk-in interview from 15th February to 18th February between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at National Public School, Jaipur. And here you can also give contact number also. Contact Mr. Rakesh, and you can give his contact number as well, 9810234556, whatever. So such type of advertisements should be there. Now let's go ahead with second one, that is for sale. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city. So a 75 hectare 3 BHK flat in a posh locality of Pune is available for sale. However, this should be written available a 75 hectare 3 BHK flat in posh colony of Pune. 3 bedrooms with attached washrooms, dining area, modular kitchen, well ventilated, 24/7 electricity and water supply. Contact Harshita and mobile number this. Now it is absolutely fine. So these things you can go ahead, and these type of advertisements should be mentioned, and such things you can easily find out. So these are the things. Here I am giving you some exercises also. Let's suppose I am giving you some exercises, right, like this. This is an advertisement. As a business development head of modular company dealing in consumer electrical goods, TV, music system, computer, mobile phones, microwave oven, draft and classified advertisement offering a business proposal, means you want to sell them. So as a company owner you want to sell them, draft and classified for this. And here Newton watches needs dealer in unrepresented area in South Delhi as a country manager. Sales, draft and advertisement for classified column of a leading newspaper inviting offer a dealership. Include range of watches, company's requirement for showroom, area, locality and financial condition of prospective dealer. Give 7 days time to send offers. Don't forget to include mailing address. Here you are selling something, and here you want business proposals to come to you, so that you can sell them. You can give them a specific thing or specific offer when they will come into contact to you. Here now another one is, you want to let out a house. Draft an advertisement to this effect of publication in a newspaper. Here you want to rent out your property, your house, so draft an advertisement. This must become under to let section. I'm sure you knows about it, you know it. And so these things you can easily go ahead. Here another is, draft a suitable metronomial advertisement for publications in newspaper for MA English Manglik girl belonging to a respective Arora Sikh family. Here you can go ahead with bride wanted or groom wanted, like this advertisement has mentioned. Bridegroom wanted, alliance invited for very fair, slim, tall, beautiful, God-fearing, family-oriented, convent graduate, Punjabi Khatri girl. This is her age and this is her height. Hailing from a very renowned business family of South Delhi, the prospective groom, here you can delete it, should be well educated, tall and of cheerful disposition. Families of equal status may apply or may send proposals. Strict confidence to so and so, box number. So likewise you can invite or write, likewise you can give advertisement for metronomials also. So this video will give you a clear shot about the advertisements, and I hope you will fulfill these criterias and you will go ahead with where go ahead with your homework which I have provided to you. And that's all from me. This is Jitendra Singh signing off for the day. Thank you.